I truly believe that you should learn how to source your own products. It is a crazily important part of the Amazon and selling online process is knowing how to source products, okay? Some things can and should be outsourced. Like setting up your eBay listing for instance, actually, you can outsource that, no worries at all, okay? Because it's just step by step, paint by numbers. You just fill in the blanks. But outsourcing your sourcing of your products, well, that's a different thing. And for me, it's too important to outsource without having somebody who's dedicated to me and my business, i.e. I'm employing that person full time. Having said that, if you are convinced that outsourcing is the way, then I have used these people. China direct sourcing. China direct sourcing. This is Lindy Chen. She is lovely, very, very cool, and she will do a great job of sourcing for you, okay? Tends to be with Lindy that she works better for larger volumes because it is not cheap. She's good, but she ain't cheap. So there's those guys. Also, these guys. Easy IMEX. Let's just check that doesn't autoplay. Easy IMEX, also very, very good. They've got offices in the UK, in Australia, in the US, and in China as well. So they're also very, very good too. And I've used them. The last time I used them, it was $500 up front to get them on board. Then they would source the product. And then they charged, I think it was 2 or 3% of whatever I ordered as their fee. So $500 up front, and then 2 or 3% ongoing to then order the product. But again, they were very good, and I've used those. And then if you want to use somebody on Upwork, which is my third solution for you, then what you want to do, I use Upwork so much. I mean, holy dooly, I can't even tell you how much I use it. Go to Upwork, go to China Sourcing Agent. I always have these filters. So you can do filters. Here's your filters here. So I want to make sure that they've earned some money. Like $1,000 is good, so I know they're not brand new. I want them to have good job success rate, so 90% and up. I want them to build over 100 hours. So again, I don't want brand new people. I don't want to be teaching people. I want somebody else to have spent money to teach them. And I want to have activity within the last 2 weeks. So that would be my sorts for filters. And then my locations, I would definitely want them in China. And then you'd apply those filters, and these are the people that come up. That looks good. And Kathy is somebody that I've used in the past and did a reasonable job for me. Now, they are never ever going to do as good a job as you can do. And you have to take into consideration that Kathy will get paid by the factory to recommend them. That's just the reality of doing business in China. Don't hate the system. That's just the way it is in China, right? That's just the way it works. That's normal within their culture for that to happen. So just expect that to be the case as well. She'll get between 1 and 3% of anything you order. She will get as well as commission. So take that into consideration as well. But that's my China sourcing strategies. If you're going to outsource it, again, for me, it's too important to outsource. I would suggest that you do it internally. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.